Welcome back. Valanka Alemao has been suspended, the president of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Committee. Valanka is suspended for indiscipline. She was the lone woman youth president in the Congress party. Valanka informed that she was suspended without prior intimation. Her suspension came after Congress party lost both seats during Lok Sabha election in the state. Sources informed that Churchill Alemao's revolt is also the reason behind her suspension.
Valanka Alemao was the lone women youth congress president in the Indian Youth Congress. Sources said that Valanka's father Churchill Alemao is the main reason for her suspension. During Lok Sabha election, Churchill Alemao had quit from Congress party and contested elections against Congress party candidate Alex Reginald on All India Trinamool Congress ticket in South Goa. At that time, Valanka also had left Goa instead of campaigning for Congress candidate. This issue was raised by local leaders at central level. Sources also informed that Congress MLA Alex Reginald, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President John Fernandez and other leaders complained against Valanka and demanded her suspension. Taking into account Valanka's performance during Lok Sabha elections, Indian Youth Congress suspended her as the president of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress. Ironically, Valanka was not issued any show-cause notice before her suspension. John Fernandez said, matter is not linked for GPCC. Earlier, Goa Pradesh Congress Disciplinary Committee had issued a show-cause notice to Valanka Alemao for anti-party activities during Lok Sabha elections. But Valanka did not appear before the disciplinary committee.
Reports, but nothing has come on the facts to me. I have no reports. Those are reports I heard also outside. But Youth Congress is an independent body at national level. They have their own right to take action.
Valanka Alemao told PTI that she was tortured and harassed by Congress party higher-ups to resign as the Youth Congress president. Valanka was elected with 530 votes as president, defeating Xavier Fialo, who secured 362 votes and was elected as the vice president of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Committee. Reporter Savio Dias, Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent.
After Congress's terrible defeat and BJP's win, author and former media advisor to the then PM Manmohan Singh, Sanjay Baru, has explained in his words how UPA-2 miserably failed to connect with the people. Baru said UPA-2 was busy building up Rahul Gandhi's persona and destroying Manmohan Singh in the bargain. The political transition, however, ended the UPA. Baru was in Goa to release his book, The Accidental PM, on Manmohan Singh.
And in my judgment, the failure of UPA-2 is because of this confusion at the top on how to build Rahul's personality without at the same time destroying Manmohan Singh's personality. And I think the lesson we learned is the Congress ended up destroying Manmohan Singh's personality but failed in building Rahul's personality. So it's this political failure in engineering this political transition.
Author Sanjay Baru's book titled The Accidental Prime Minister was launched in Goa on Saturday. Sanjay Baru in his book has explained the making and unmaking of Manmohan Singh.
So a large part of my book explains why between 2004 and 2009 Manmohan Singh's popularity went up, which is why the subtitle of my book is The Making and the Unmaking. The making of Manmohan Singh.
The Indian public wanted to know the reasons for such terrible governance under the stewardship of Dr. Manmohan Singh. How did all this happen under such a great man?
A chapter from the book on the accidental Prime Minister attracted a lot of controversy from media and political diaspora. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
4 vehicles dashed one after the other at Kone in Farmagudi. Eyewitness rickshaw driver claimed Omni driver Ayub Khan was recklessly driving the vehicle which led to the accident. The accident occurred in the afternoon. Traffic was jammed for half an hour. The Omni driver has been admitted to GMC due to a fracture. Other drivers are safe.
The Omni rider has sustained a serious injury on his leg. He shifted and is undergoing treatment.
Now been given
Now we are just shifted in. We are not received so far.
I am बाहर वाले की then फाड़गड़े था बोल्टी में.
तू कौन था?
हम मामा मसाला था ना.
ओके.
मैं फाड़गड़े था बोल्टी.
वैन गाड़ी ओवरटेक करता ले.
ती ओवरटेक का फाड़ला राइडिंग गाड़ी आली ती ओवरटेक करता ले. माहिती आहे माझ्या अंगात आलं म्हणून आहे बाहेर मारली बाहेर मारली ती फाळीकडे सापडली.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.